Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created a new form for the add new donor. When we click on this form, it will open. You can see here a form has been opened, and when we enter the data, it will save in our database. If you don't see that video, just go to description and check out the link I already provided. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to create for update details, donor update details. Okay, so let's start. Let me close this application. Now we have to create a new JFrame. So I'm clicking a new JFrame here. Update details donor. Okay, clicking on finish. Now our form has been created. So first we are going to increase the size is to 700 into 500. Okay, let me close this running. Okay, now right click on this. First we are going to remove min, max and close button from this form. Okay, and we are setting the location. So first we are undecoded so that min, max and close button has been removed. After that we are setting the location. Look, x-axis is 240 we are setting here, and the y-axis is 130. When this form is will open, it will set to open at this location. Okay, now we need a label here and rename that label, and here we have to write update donor details. Okay, now let me increase the size of this. Okay, making that bold and changing to the this one, and the size should be 36. Okay, close. Update donor details, and let me resize it again. 700 comma 500. Okay, click close. After that we need a separator to separate this header with the other. Okay, so this one is for that, and okay, now you can see there's a line. Okay, now we need another level, like we have to update the details. Okay, so for that we first need a donor ID of that donor. We need donor ID. Okay, here. After that we need a text field. Okay, so here this one is text field. After we need a search button, so for that we are also taking a button here. Now let me read this text, remove this, and let me increase the size to the 60. Okay, 60. Okay, now let me increase the size to the this one is bold 14, making it at bold 14. Okay, close. We are also increasing the size of this, making it as bold 14. Okay, close. After that we are also changing the button to the bold 14, and we are also inserting the icons. Search one. Okay, let me write here edit text. Let me write as search search. Okay, now let me increase the size of this to the 100. 107 not. Okay, now we need another separator here to separate from form, and okay, so now here we are increasing the size of this separator. You can see a line has been. Okay, now here we need labels. Full name, the text, full name, Okay, after that we need another level. The next level is for father name, and the next level is for mother name. Oh, sorry, mother name. Okay, after mother name, date of birth. For that, we are also taking a level date of birth. Okay, after DOB, we need a level for mobile number, mobile number. Okay, after that, we need another level. That one is for gender. Okay, now we have to take the text field for all. Okay, so here I'm using text field this, text field 3, text field 4, text field 5 here, text field 6, text field 7. Okay, let me increase the size of this text fields. Go to the properties, making it as bold 14. Okay, just close, and we also change the labels to the bold 14. Properties, making it as bold 14. Okay, close. Now let me edit this text and remove this. Let me increase the size to the 150. Let me edit this also. Okay, one by one we are editing for all and making them equal. Okay, edit text, making it as 146. Edit text and increasing to the size to the 146. Editing text here and increasing to the 146. And for the J text field 7, we're also doing the same. So here you can see that our half form has been created. Now here we have to take the label here for this, label, and this one is for email. Okay, and we are taking next label here. That one is for blood group. Okay, after that we need another label here for the city. Okay, city, and after city we are going to take complete address. Okay, now for this we are first inserting the text field for this. Okay, 1, 8, you can say 9 and 10, and for the complete address we are taking text area. Okay, now let me increase this size of this. Properties, making them bold 14. Okay, close. Okay, the font size is increased. Now we have to set this to the decrease size to 700 and 500. Okay, now let me check this again. You can see 700 and 500. Let me edit this text first, and that first we are going to increase the size of this. So we are increasing the size to the bold 14. Okay, close. Now we're increasing size to the 146 here. Let me retext. Okay, remove this blood group, and 146. We are also deleting the for this, increasing to the 146. Now you can see that our form has been created. Okay, now in here we need to insert the buttons. So first we are going to insert the separator here. You can see separator. Okay, so increasing the size to this. Now now we are going to insert three buttons here. The first one is for the update, or you can say the save update. Okay, and the next button is to reset. Okay, this one is third button, and reset. Okay, and the last button is to close this form. Okay, close. Now we have to increase the size of this. First we are making bold 14 for this, making it as bold 14. Okay, close this. Now we are inserting image for this, or you can say icon for this. The first one is for save png, so close, and the second was for I'm using update details png here. Update details png, reset, or you can see the reset. Okay, and for the close we are using exit application png image. Okay, close. Let me move it a little bit left. Okay, now we have to insert image in the background of this form. So for that, first we are changing to the absolute layout. After that we are inserting a level here and going to properties, and here we are setting the icon here. So there is a all page background image. Okay, now let me resize it. Okay, you can see our front end has been completed. Now we have to write the code for the backend. So first we are writing the code for the close. Okay, so in this we are just have to write the set visible false, set visible false. Okay, and for the reset we are writing the code for the reset action. And for this we are also writing set visible false, and we are setting the new visible, new update donor dot set visible. Okay, dot set visible true. Okay, now the first thing we need to search the donors. So for that we are going to action performed, and from here we have to write the codes. First we are going to import here, import java.sql.asterisk. Okay, after that we are importing connect. We created a package in the previous video. We are for the providing connection, so we are importing this. Okay, now after importing we have to write the codes in here, and we have to try catch first. Okay, exception. Okay, now here we are writing connection con equals to connection provider. We are calling the connection provider class. Okay, connection provider class. You can see, and it having getCon method in it, static method. Okay, statement. After that, we have to create a statement here. Statement st dot con dot create statement. Okay. After creating statement, we need result set rs equals to st dot execute query. Okay. In this, we have to write the select star from donor, where first we have to take the donor ID here. So the text field 1 is for the donor ID. So we are taking a string variable, string, and donor ID as a variable. ID equals to j text field 1. Sorry, this one is area. Text field 1. Okay. Dot get text here, and from there we are taking the donor ID, and here we are matching donor ID equals to, and here we write the name of this one, donor ID. We are taking the variable in this page, donor ID. Okay. Now if that donor ID exists, then it could be next. Okay. And after the next, we have to display the data. For that, we are using jtext field 2. Okay, sorry, 2. Okay, dot set txt, set txt. Let me click on enter, and in this we are writing rs dot get string. Okay, string. You can see that when click on enter, and here we are writing the ID number. You can see the first one is for the donor ID, so we are selecting here second. In the same way, we are writing for the others 2, 3. We are writing, changing it one by one. Okay, the first, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we also need to change this 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8. After writing 8, we are going to check it, that how many. Okay, let me write 2 more here, 9, and the last is 10, and 9, and here we are writing 10. After that, we have to set for j text area dot set text. In this we are writing rs dot get string, and string. Okay, and here I'm writing 11. Okay, and after that we also have to change jtext field that user does not able to edit. Okay, so for that, set editable here, editable, and here I'm just setting to the false. Okay, and if rs.next is not in our database, or you can say that no ID is found in your database, then it will show a pop-up message that show message that ID does not exist in our database. So I'm just writing here and writing donor ID does not exist. Okay, for the cache we are going to leave it. Okay, now let me run this so that you can get that run file. It will take a little bit time. Okay, this form is out of. Okay, so before changing that, first we are checking for this search. Okay, you can see that data has been displayed in particular fields. Okay, and you can also see that donor ID we cannot change here, but when we click on this field directly the option is to write. Okay, you can see here, and when we click on this it gets selected. Let me close this and stop this app. Okay, after that we are going to design part and change that why it's showing that type of error. Okay, let me check this out. Now let me run this again, run file. Okay, now you can see that it is in our bond. Okay, in this form. Okay, let me close this, stop this. Okay, now we have to write the codes for update. Whenever we click on update, it should be update our in our database. So for that we are writing the codes. Okay, yeah, and for that first we are have to take the variables string donor ID here, j text field here. We are taking text field 1 dot get text, and after that we are taking a string string name equals to j text field 2 dot get text. Okay, after that we have to take the variable for father name, mother name and all. String father name equals to j text field, we are taking 3 and get text. Okay, after that we are taking for a string father name, mother name j text field 4 for that and get text. Okay, after mother name we are taking a string DOB date of birth j text field, and here I'm taking the fifth one and get text here. After DOB we are taking for string mobile number, we are taking a mobile number j text field, we are taking 61. Okay, 61, oh, sorry. Okay, dot get text here. After mobile number we are taking a string for gender, and for that we are taking a text field 7 dot get text here, and after taking the gender we are taking for email j text field 8 dot get text. Okay, after email we are taking for the blood group. Okay, equals to j text field 9 here dot get text here. Okay, After blood group we are writing for, yeah, sorry, string city. Okay, so for that J text field we are choosing 10 number and get text here, and at last we are taking for the string address. Okay, address equal to J text area we are taking dot get text. Now after taking this all data from their fields, we have to insert, or you can say update. Okay, so catch. We are writing a catch to suppress the exception. Okay, exception. After that, we have to write the codes. So for that, first we are creating the connection con dot connection provider class, connection provider dot get con. Okay, after this statement we are preparing. Okay, statement st dot con dot create statement. Okay, after that we have to write the st dot execute update here, execute update here. Okay, in this we have to write the here to update our table. So let me minimize this so that you can see it in the better. Let me also minimize this. Now here we are writing update. Okay, update donor. I already created the donor name table in it. I already explained you. And the first one is we are updating the name. Okay, after name, update details set donor. Okay, this one I just forgot. Okay, name set. After it we are using comma, father name equals to, here I'm just writing father name. Okay, and one by one we are writing for the all. Mother name, sorry, mother name, okay, okay. After mother name we have to take for dob, do sorry dob equals to dob we are taking, and after that mobile number we are setting it to mobile number. Okay, and here I just forget this. After mobile number we have to write for gender. Okay, and the gender. After gender we have to write for email. Okay, email. Okay, after email blood group, blood group. Okay, and the blood group, sorry, we taken it in the wrong format. Okay, blood group. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, here we don't have to write this blood group and the blood group, and the next one is for city, city, city. Okay, and the last one is for the address, address. Okay, you can see address. Now our now at last we have to write the where condition, the where donor ID is equals to the our donor ID. Like donor, we're also taking the variable name as same, so not a big problem. Okay, and after donor ID we also need to show a pop-up message that you are successfully updated. So for that, show message dialog here, null we are setting, and here I'm just writing successfully fully updated. Okay, and we also need to set the visible, set visible here false, and it means simple word we can say that we are refreshing the page. Update details donor dot set visibles true here I'm setting, and if any error occur, like for that we are here writing dot show message. Here I'm writing connection error, connection error. Okay, now let me run this file, or we also need to connect this with our home page. So for that we are moving to here, and here we have to write new update dot set visible true. Okay, now let me run this home file. Okay, let me click on this update details, click on, you can see it will open. Now let me run search for the donor ID one, and here I'm just setting string. Okay, got crossing, clicking on update, connection error. It means some error occur in our, so let me check this out. Exit application, close this. Okay, let me check this out. Here you can see that we added plus in the blood group. Okay, so let me run this file home it again. Okay, clicking on this update details, let me run this one search, and here I'm writing string. Okay, clicking on update, successfully updated, you can see the message. Clicking on OK, again we are writing donor ID 1, you can see updated details, you can see here Gaurav Kumar string. Now here you can see that we cannot edit this. Let me reset this, and let me enter the not registered donor ID. Let me search, you can see donor ID does not exist. So this is all about update details, of donor. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to explain you about all donor details. So stay tuned with us, please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.